Good morning children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Previous class you learned for unit 4 measurement. Shall I move now? Unit 5 time. Look here children. Express the time in terms of AM and PM. This is the picture. Sun is coming. Clock shows the time. That one is saying for morning. Moon is coming. Stars is coming. So that time shows the clock is bedtime. So sleeping time. That one is called for PM. So morning time you saying for AM. Evening time or night time you say for PM. So AM is ante-median. PM is post-median. So this is real life day to day. All the time is showing the clock. Clock is having for 3 hands. So this is the clock. Clock is having the numbers 1 to 12. This is time. Midnight 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock. That time is saying for AM. Afternoon reach 12. Then after the midnight 12 o'clock is saying for PM. So AM 12 hours, PM is 12 hours. This 12 hours and 12 hours is added and get for 24 hours. 24 hours is called for one day. So midnight 12 o'clock up to 12 daytime you reach that says for AM. Then daytime 12 o'clock after reach the night time to midnight 12 o'clock says for PM. In your life, I give some examples and ask some questions. Write the time using the AM or PM. So first one, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock morning. So mention the morning is AM. The next one, 4 o'clock in the evening. Evening time 4 o'clock is said for 4 PM. 4 PM. The next one, 10 o'clock for night time. 10 o'clock for night time. So that was says here 10 o'clock. Night time is says for PM. The next one, 5 hours afternoon. 5 hours afternoon. So afternoon means you say for PM only. So write the number 5. The next one, 3 hours before noon. Before noon means say for early morning. That time is says for 3 o'clock. So this is for your real life. Use the timing. You are using a clock for digital clock or hand clock that shows the timing for only 12 hours. Railway timing only shows for 24 hours clock. Railway timing is shows for 12 hours is not using only 24 hours. So 24 hours clock is using only for the railway. Relates to 24 hours clock with respective for 12 hours. After 12 hours is reached the clock, then you say for 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. After reach 0, that is for 24 clock. 24 hours. So that is midnight 12 hours or afternoon 12 hours. So midnight means 00. Afternoon 11 hours 59. So reach the 12. That time is says for afternoon. 12 is PM. Yeah. Noon midnight for 12 o'clock. Up to full day is completed 23.59. So 59 after 24 hours. So that is 1 day is completed. So 12 hours midnight up to next day midnight you reach the 1 day. So here using for the digital clock, hours and minutes is saying here. Hours is 20 hours, minutes is 27 hours. This is for call evening or morning. Use the digital clock. Yes, this is for it is evening. So the clock says 20 is hours and 27 is minutes. So next you find out what is your time now. 20 hours 27 minutes. So you subtract 12. Subtract for 12. Clock is having for only number 12. So one time is rotating. After again rotating the time 20. So this 20 is says here 8 o'clock. So easy to find out 8 o'clock. Then minutes is 27. So 8:27 p.m. This is the time 27. 20 hours 27 minutes is shows the time for 8 o'clock 27 minutes evening. That's why saying here p.m. Be ready children. Write in your classwork. Unit 5 time. Express the time in terms AM and PM. AM is called for ante-median. PM is called post-median. Midnight 12 o'clock. After that one is AM. Midnight 12 o'clock. After is AM. 12 o'clock is noon. 12 o'clock is PM. Then midnight 12 o'clock before. Midnight 12 o'clock before PM. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So write the time using AM or PM. 8 o'clock morning for 8:00 AM. 4 o'clock in evening for 4:00 PM. Then 10 o'clock in night for 10 o'clock. Night means you write for PM. 5 hours write for 5. Minutes is 0. So afternoon means PM. Then 3 hours write for 3. Then before noon you write for AM. The next one relates to 24 hours clock with respect to 12 hours. So this is the midnight 12 o'clock is 00. Noon, afternoon 11:59. The next one noon to midnight 12 o'clock to after reach the 23.59. So 23 hours 59 minutes after reach for 00. So the hours start at 0 and go through 23. This exercise 1 unit 6 fraction. Fraction is saying for whole part of the here given the example taken for the bread. This for fully you taken and divided for equally. How many pieces you want to make with share with your friends equally, that is says here fraction. So this is taken whole piece of bread, cut for and divide the 4 pieces. So this is called one part, second part, third part, fourth part. So this all the pieces is equal. That is called for the fraction. This is called for fraction. So you take whole and divide it into share for equally. That is called for the fraction. Here using for this flag. Flag is using for the 3 kinds of fractions. Color variation is given to here. 3 colors 1, 2, 3 tricolors. Then eraser is an example using for colors, 2 colors. Then fraction, same division of part, equal, all the size is equal, only divided, that one is called for the fraction. Another one example, sweet apple, then window, then leaf. Leaf is also having the petals, so this all the lines is equally to share to divide the parts. So here use this parts of pictures used to divide all the shapes is equal. Example given to you. Use the shapes and divided for equal parts. Take the circle. Circle is divide the parts for 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Take the square shape. Square shape is divided for 1, 2, 3, 4 part. Then triangle taken and divided for 1, 2, 3, 4 part. Then hexagon is taken and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So all the shape is even, same. Only you take the bread piece, equally sharing to only you accept your friends or your relatives, your family members, only sharing for equally only accepted. Otherwise anyone taken to large, others one you give to small, that is not accepted. So make them to fight. All are the having the same mentality. So equal sharing is no problem. Make that noise, no problem. Anything to say others, that is not to make the problem. Only equal sharing is here. Your life to share, used to share all the things or food items, or equally to share with your pencils, dresses. Your parents is buy to give the dresses also. Equally you buy and give to for yours 2 dress, and your sister or brothers is asking for 2 dress. Others to compare, your more or another one more. No one to equal. So someone only have to more, someone only have to less, means make the problem. Otherwise make to buy anything, give it to equally, means no problem. So that's why use for the fraction. This is help to know which one is here equal, which one is here same. So same means no problem. So big or small is make the problem. Okay, this is the exercise number 6.1. Observe the following pictures and write how many equal parts is divided into here. Here use this picture. How many parts is here? 1, 2. So make them is 1, 2 parts. The next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. The next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. The next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So taken for the circle shape and divided for 2 part. So 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 6, 1 divided by 4. So this is the fraction. The next one, in your book exercise, draw a square shape and circle shape. Make it for the 4 equal parts. So you take to draw the shapes and find out for how many parts.